you experience symptoms such as bloating, nausea, cramps, and eczema after consuming dairy, you could be lactose intolerant. Be free, lactose-free with the milk, Mars, and dairy snack from Nolac.
Made with love by Clover.
Welcome back to Afternoon Express. Tumi, I'm so excited. I see a box. Tell me more.
Well, girl, there's nothing more delectable than a creamy dairy dish. But if lactose intolerance is a challenge for you, then that's about time for you to be free, lactose-free with the new Clover Nolac range with milk, Mars, and dairy snack. The only challenge you should have is worrying about how to enjoy this range. So today we have a mystery box and some delicious items. Let's see what we have in store.
Rubs hands.
So we've got some roasted red peppers, we've got some gnocchi that's already been cooked, we've got some lemons and a red onion.
This is a complete challenge to me. So are you trying to tell me that you have not had a clue what Clover Nolac put under that box?
Nope.
But this is something special because it gives you an opportunity to be flexible, act quickly, on your feet, make something easy that the rest of South Africans can cook along with. So you've got red peppers there, you've got red onion, you've got some gnocchi, and of course that Clover Nolac.
Yeah, and the one thing I do know with any challenge is that I need to at least get started with the basics, like our onions. So I'm going to quickly get chopping with that. Luckily, we've got some sweet taste from the onion, so I won't need to put too much seasoning into the rest of our ingredients here. So before I do anything, let me get my oil hot enough.
Okay, Tumi, whilst you're getting started with the basics, I'm also seeing some lemons. I mean, I don't know what to do with this recipe. Do you have an idea of where you're going to go?
I think I do. So I think let's go with something very simple, very quick, a gnocchi dish. And we've got roasted red pepper, so why not make that the star of the dish? Roasted red pepper gnocchi with our amazing Clover Nolac products. Okay. And I think we're actually going to put the moss into the gnocchi itself as well to give it more body and more thickness. So I'm going to get started, like we mentioned, the basics. Okay. I'm going to fry up some onion over here. I'm actually going to try and keep it as thin as possible because mystery box also means it's timed, which means I don't have a whole lot of time.
Absolutely.
So I'm going to try and chop this up very thinly so that it cooks as quickly as possible. I'm not going to do the whole entire onion.
What I like about this mystery box challenge, Tumi, is that essentially Clover Nolac is putting South Africans to the test, saying that you can actually cook just about anything. If you have a lactose intolerant, irritation and frustration within your body, this is something and a range of products that caters to your every need.
And I think that's another thing that people with lactose intolerance struggle with. It's like, okay, now that I'm lactose intolerant, it means I can't enjoy dishes that I would normally enjoy, like those creamy, like we said, it's a delectable dairy dish, and most people can't enjoy them. But thanks to Clover Nolac, it's been treated with an enzyme called lactase that basically reduces the amount of lactose in it, making it more easily digestible and easy to enjoy, you know?
Love that.
The other thing I do love, though, is that most people that suffer with lactose intolerance also have, you know, calcium deficiencies and stuff like that. It actually has vitamins and calcium in it, which helps to replenish all of those vitamins in there.
Making sure that everyone has what I like to say a tick list in the kitchen of the things that you need to be ingesting every single day to make sure that your body is in full optimum functioning possibility.
Yeah. So I've also been given here, I think it's paprika from the smell. I think it's smoked paprika and some chili flakes. I've got some coriander. I've got some garlic. Yeah. I mean, it is quite a mystery box, but I have to say that they've ticked all the boxes of things that I love here. So last but not least, I'm just going to season this up. Yum. And then I'm going to ask you, I'll pass you some of our Clover Nolac milk just to blitz this up for us. Because now the simple part about it is that most people can't enjoy those creamy sauces, but you can do that with Clover Nolac. So all I'm going to need you to do is just toss this into your blender. Okay. And then the liquid that we're going to use to smooth this out will be our Clover Nolac milk.
Love that. Okay, we're doubling up here in the kitchen because I think that these are the small processes that food goes through every day, and that actually makes the recipe a step above the rest.
Correct. And I think another thing I love about that is, yes, we've added a bit of chili, but knowing Palisa, you'd probably want to add a bit more fresh chili, right? So now what I'm going to do is go back into our pot here, because even though we've cooked that part of the gnocchi of the dish, I also want to cook up and season up my gnocchi here. It's already been cooked, and you'd basically just cook it according to the
just tell me when
I'll tell you when. Keep going, and you're good.
Okay.
So also, this is another thing. Depending on how thick you'd like your sauce to be, you can add more or less milk. You could even just blitz it as it is without the Clover Nolac, because another thing is, like I mentioned, we're going to be adding the mass into the sauce again to make it nice and thick. So you can leave it out.
Should that be good?
Perfecto.
That looks really good to me. I'm loving the color on this dish.
Me
I
too,
think
actually.
the red pepper and the red onions have come together quite nicely. Okay, love that. You pop that in there. I like how this is going to come together, though.
And the other thing is, because we've used our olive oil, you don't need to use you don't need to use butter, you don't need to use anything that's animal product, so it actually can be a very vegan dish, depending on how you like it. And the last but not least, the one that's going to thicken up our sauce here is going to be our clover nolak mass. That goes all the, oh, look at that. And I'm not even going to shake it up. Normally you'd shake up your mass.
Yes, you first start by shaking amasi through, but this is quite nice, just as chunky and as creamy, as delectable as it is. You're putting it straight into that gnocchi mix with the red peppers and all the spices that you've already added.
And this is basically it, Bale. It's nice and thick. I mean, you don't need anything else here besides the coriander that we're going to add on top. This is basically our recipe here. Oh.
Salt and pepper, I love that. You know, that's where you know someone did amazing things in the kitchen, made complete, something that everyone can enjoy. As soon as you have that taste and your facial expression just changes immediately, I love that. That's when you know you're winning.
And this is it, Balisa. Our dish is done. You can thicken up even more, let it sit there in the sauce and reduce.
But for now, that's just already, in 2 seconds, we're able to whip this up. Something simple, something quick, and I think can satisfy anyone's appetite.
Definitely, Balisa. And our dish is done and delicioso. In fact, like we normally do with soups and stuff, we want to stir in a little bit of that sauce just on the top.
Oh, wow.
So I'm going to do that just for kicks, because why not?
Make it look good.
That was much easier than I thought it would be. And it's that easy to be #free, lactose free with Clover Nolak and their incredible lactose free range. Remember that we still have an exciting competition where we could be calling you live next week on the show, where you could win an awesome cash prize and a Nolak hamper. To enter, simply comment on the Afternoon Express Nolak post with which lactose symptom you are challenged with. T's and C's apply and can be found on afternoonexpress.co.za, which is also where we'll be plugging you with this delicious recipe.
Do you experience symptoms such as bloating, nausea, cramps, and eczema after consuming dairy? You could be lactose intolerant. Be free, lactose free with the milk, mass, and dairy snack from Nolak.
Made with love by Clover.